Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Chris. I'm from Germany and I'm a tour leader, tour guide here in Pakistan. Last 2 weeks we have been traveling with 10 or 12 people from Germany, Austria, Switzerland, in Pakistan, in KPK, and also right now in Chitral. And we are so happy that we can enjoy this wonderful place. We have been to Kalasha Valley, explore the Chitral area. Tomorrow we are going to Masjid, driving through the mountains with our jeeps, which is great fun. And yeah, most of all, I want to express my feelings about safety here in Pakistan, in Chitral. We didn't feel any unsafe situation, and of course there are police. They are taking well care of the people here, of the tourists, and yeah, I just can recommend everyone to come to Pakistan, come to northern Pakistan, to Chitral, KPK province, and I'm sure you will not regret. I also want to point out the difference. What we in Germany hear from the media is way different to what we experience here in Pakistan, because we are enjoying every day. We are super happy, and yeah, welcome to Pakistan.